Hispanic food tells the story of three continents woven together, a history you can taste. From the indigenous peoples of the Americas came maize, beans, and chiles, the foundation of tortillas, tamales, and stews that still feed millions today. From Africa came plantains, okra, and deep frying techniques that gave Caribbean cooking its soul. Crisp tostones, golden empanadas, and flavors born of survival and adaptation. From Europe came wheat, pork, olive oil, and spices like garlic and cumin. Ingredients that met indigenous and African traditions in kitchens from Mexico to Argentina. Out of that blending came something greater, a shared language of flavor. You taste it in the sofrito of Puerto Rico and Cuba, the mole of Oaxaca, the arepas of Colombia and Venezuela. Every region carries a version of home, seasoned by migration, memory, and resilience. Because food is more than sustenance, it's storytelling. Every plate tells where we've been, who we've loved, and how we've endured. That's the real recipe of heritage.